Alright, it's Jared here from Crypto Plan. How is everyone going? Today we're going to be doing the KuCoin. Alright, please like the video, please subscribe to the video, and I know that there's 75% of you that are watching my videos that are not subscribed. And I know that those 75% of the people that are watching my videos that are not subscribed are not watching every single video. But if you're watching one or two or three of them and they're still popping up on your feed, you may as well just subscribe, because then you'll get all of them. All right, so just go on, click the like button too. It's going to really help me out. You know you want to. You know you don't have to watch the video. I'm subscribed to so many channels now, and I don't watch all the videos, but you know, sometimes the thumbnail, you just be involved. You know, you can kind of scroll through and go, whose voice do I want to hear today? What am I interested in listening to? And you can flick me off if you want, but at least if you're subscribed, you'll get that you'll get that thumbnail in your liked videos or your subscribed videos page. That's enough of that. KuCoin, let's do the chart, do the talking quickly. I'm just going to go over here. KuCoin is the coin of the KuCoin exchange. 1 out of 4 crypto holders worldwide is with KuCoin. The reason why people own KuCoin, because of its use case, and you use it as a trading pair, you use it as a thing to pay fees on the KuCoin network to reduce your fees. So yeah, there's an incentive to be using KuCoin if you're on the KuCoin exchange. But if you're just a speculator in cryptocurrencies, I guess that's what I'm here for, just to kind of see where the chart's at and where it could go. And you can see a couple of price targets up here, 89 and 171. And I'll just kind of show you the ways that I got to that. You know, the first way is the good old fashioned Fibonacci. And that gets us all the way up there. So by kind of retracing the bear market and then extending out of it, it would get us up to that $89 target. If we were to kind of repeat these two moves again, it would get us up to the 171 target. So the way I'd be doing that is coming over here with my trend angle, kind of getting the wick there, and yeah, just kind of putting it on that dip and getting somewhere up there. So that's our upper thing, and that's our, you know, for me that's the range. You know, that would be the selling range or the target range, because you need a strategy, an out strategy, right? So you need a target range. Now, I guess in saying that, you always need to have a figure that's maybe a little bit more bearish than that, so that if you didn't reach that target ever, that you'd have somewhere a line in the sand where you're like, okay, yeah, that's another level there. So let's just say that 2 moves and it was only going to do 3 moves. So it was only going to do this particular leg again. Let's see where that gets us. So it did a big leg, a smaller leg, and then it does this big leg again. You know, maybe it's 55. So we've got a little selection there, and that's just going to help us, you know, if we're new to the market, if we want to get into it, if we're late to this particular project, but we've still got some capital and, you know, we want to 5x it or 10x it. Well, this is still a good option because it tapped its all-time high, it's pulled back, so it's doing its cup and handle of the full bear market, and we're at a 30% discount from all-time highs. So that's not the worst entry point. And if you were to dollar cost average in through this correction, and if we go to the daily chart, probably got, you know, another 10 days of correcting here, so we could see more dips, but it's probably going to bounce off this 30 MA or you know, maybe off the 50 MA, which is a bit lower down here. So you could get your 10s, you could get your 9s, but you know, you're probably going to see price hover in this range between 14 and you know, 11 for a little while until it kind of pushes on out of there, right? So that's it. KuCoin's a buy for me. I'm not buying it, but you know, for my style of investing, besides the fact that you can't really buy anything that's still in its base right now. Sometimes getting in on the the pullback from the all-time high is a good entry point, because obviously any consolidation is a good entry point, because you've seen price discovery, it pulls back, you get in there, but you can't quite get in any lower now, and I don't think this is probably going to dip back down to its 6th level. It could, you never know, but I think getting anywhere around 10 or lower is going to be a bargain on KuCoin. And in saying that, if you did get it at 10, if you did manage to capture at 10, or even let's say 11, we've got that nearly 4x to our bearish target. Then we've got 7x to our, first full extension of the Fibonacci, and then up to a kind of 15x if it did a super extension there. So there we go. That's KuCoin. Good use case, solid price action. I think anything that's doing these kind of like flags and flag poles and then flag shapes in this bull run, at this end of the bull run, has a lot of momentum. It's going to keep going. So I think it's wouldn't be the worst one to be jumping on. But like I say, it's I've said it all along, and I've said it recently in a lot of my videos, and I'm short-term bearish because the market is choppy, so I'm not doing any trading. I'm not buying into any new positions. But for those of you out there that that 5x is still a good return, right? If you have a lazy grand or two and you just want to put it in something, there's plenty of 5x opportunities out there, and KuCoin is definitely one of them. And then there's our price targets, anywhere from 60 onwards to 160 is a good range to be selling out, scaling out of that position, on the safe end, rather than trying to buy the bottom now and then sell the top there. So KuCoin, that's that. I'm going to leave that one there. Nice short one, 7 minutes. I hope you liked it. I've been Jared. This has been Crypto Plan. Please like the video and comment and subscribe and all that sort of stuff. It really helps us out. And I shall catch you on the next one.